Venmo, a subsidiary of PayPal, generates revenue through various avenues, primarily by charging fees for specific transactions and offering additional financial services. Here's how Venmo makes money. Transaction fees. Venmo charges a fee for certain transactions, such as instant transfers from Venmo balances to linked bank accounts or debit cards. These fees typically range from 1% to 1.5% of the transaction amount, with a minimum fee per transaction. Merchant fees. Venmo offers a payment processing service for merchants, allowing them to accept Venmo payments in their stores or online. Similar to other payment processors, Venmo charges merchants a fee for each transaction processed through its platform. Interest income. Venmo earns interest income on the funds held in users' Venmo balances. Although users can transfer their Venmo balance to their linked bank account for free, funds left in the Venmo balance contribute to the platform's interest earnings. Subscription services. Venmo may introduce premium subscription services or features in the future, offering additional functionalities for a monthly or annual fee.